YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. Brat, he love me long.
This is our first Temu haul. I ordered it and I got my stuff like 2 weeks later, so it wasn't too bad with shipping. When I ordered, I initially wanted to get this coffee maker that's in that cardboard box right there. It's supposed to be an espresso machine thing. I wanted a portable one because the one before that was entirely too big, and so I just felt like it was just taking up space. So I wanted a small portable one. This was the one I seen on Temu, so I was like, oh hey, might as well try it. So I went to go buy it, and then it was like, oh, we'll give it to you for free. Pick another item for free, and then we'll send you something else for free, and order 3 things, and then you can get it. And so I think my order came up to like $30, which wasn't bad. I got slippers, air cleaner, this cold brew coffee maker, the espresso thing, and they sent me some clips for sewing or something. I don't really know what they're like. I don't have a use for them. Maybe I'll use them to close some bags or something. The slippers aren't bad. I'll just say that they're a little too big. When I first tried them on, they was cool. You know, I thought they were the right size. I ordered a women's size 10. When I flipped them over on the bottom, one of them said like 47 to 45, and the other one said like 46 to 47 or something like that. And I don't know if those are Chinese sizes or European sizes that they have on the bottom of the shoe, but I wear European size 42. So as you can imagine, they're a little loose. The more I started walking around, I was like, these kind of big. They fit my boyfriend. He wears a size 12 in men. So I don't know. I have to figure out and order at your own discretion of what size you think they actually gonna come. But they did have some loose threads. As far as quality, they felt cool-ish, but I wouldn't actually buy them like of my own accord. Like, I just picked these randomly because I just needed something to do. And after I clicked on the first one just to see it, it kept popping up with that kind of stuff. So I just clicked them to order it. These are from AliExpress though. These are amazing. They were $18. I could link them below if you want it. If they're still up, you know. As far as the coffee maker, I don't really know how to use it. Not gonna lie. I read the instructions. I tried it out. The first time I did it wrong. The water didn't change colors or nothing. The second time I did it, it came out better, but I still feel like I didn't do it right. The only thing with this I will say is, you know, for the pump part, they tell you to pump a few seconds apart. If you just pump back to back to back, it's just going to start squirting out of the machine because it's built up too much pressure. So I'd advise you not to do that. But if I figure out how to work it, or, you know, if it actually works or whatever, I'll let y'all know. It takes Nespresso pods or whatever, so I might buy some of those and try it. I just got to figure it out. If not, I think also you can still use the top part that I unscrewed the first as a frother. That's what I was told. But moving on from that, this works very well. The cold brew coffee thing, I think if you're going to use it, you just should, when you're filling up the tube in the middle with the coffee grounds, make sure you're using coarse coffee grounds. And, you know, like, do it in batches. Like, okay, put some coffee grounds, pour some water. Put some coffee ground, pour some water. So that way the part in the middle won't just be sitting there not wet while you're sitting there letting it soak in the refrigerator. These work great.
YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. Brat, he love me long.